Look at the question number 80. There are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. The sum of these terms is 55 and the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Find the terms of the arithmetic progression. So here 5 terms of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and A plus 4D. Okay, 5 terms. So their sum is 55. So their sum A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D plus A plus 4D. So their sum is 55. So here A is the first term and D is the common difference. So add this. So 5A plus 10D is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 55 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So divide whole equation by 2. So this is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 11. Divided by 5 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Divide whole equation by 5. So 5 ones are, so 5 2s are 10. 5 11s are 55 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 1. Okay. So next ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. So fourth term is equal to 5 more than. So 5 more than the sum of the first 2 term. Sum of the first 2 term ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A plus D. So ಇದು first term second term. Their sum ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 5 times more than their sum ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is equal to ಏನು? Fourth term ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay. So in terms of A and D, so A plus 3D is equal to 2A plus D plus 5. So simplify this. 3D minus D is equal to 2A minus A plus 5. So 3D minus D is 2D is equal to A plus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ first equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ A is equal to 11D plus 2D ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು right side ಹೋದಾಗ ಸೊ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A is equal to 11 minus 2D ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಎ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ A in equation 2. So 2D is equal to, here A is 11 minus 2D plus 5. So 2D minus 2D left ಹೋದಾಗ plus 2D is equal to 11 plus 5. So 2D plus 2D ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4D is equal to 16. So D is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 16 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So D is equal to 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 or 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Substitute D into the equation A 1. A is equal to 11 minus D. So this is equal to 11 minus 2 into 4. So 11 minus 8. So this is equal to 3. So A is equal to ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay. So ಈಗ list the term of AP by using A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. So the 5 terms. First term is A is equal to 3. Second term is A plus D is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So third term A plus 2D is equal to 3 plus 2 into 4. So this is equal to 11. So fourth term A plus 3D is equal to 3 plus 3 into 4. So 3 plus 12, 15. Fifth term A plus 4D is equal to 3 plus 4 into 4. So this is equal to 19. Okay. So therefore, the term of AP are 3, 7, 11, 15, 19.